welcome to MaiMoments, and as you can see on my thumbnail that I'm going to review this product I bought from Aliexpress, and we know there's misleading and also bad products sometimes it sells for us. It's very innovative, but sometimes it's just like you buy it and you thought it was really good of an item that's very logical until you try it. It's just like I just waste $4, $5 waiting for 30 days to get this package here. Yes, I did wait for 30 days. I think it's way more than that, but I don't remember. So I looked at this product and that was really interesting because first of all, it's a price. It was only $1.40 when I bought it. It was a reusable 8-in-1 brow shaping template and is a eyebrow helper. So there's 8 of them. I don't know, let's open. The directions, I cannot really read it. It's in Chinese. I don't know Chinese, so I'm just going ahead and open the package and then trying to follow the direction. Okay. So there's 8 different shapes, as I can see. And then there's a string like this. And there's a holder, so you can put it, attach it on one of this clip right here and then do this. But I feel it's much easier just to put the string and then wrap it around my head. It's really slightly different, you guys. Interesting. I can't tell. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna clip it in. How do we even clip this in? Oh, okay, there we go. Press it in. And bam, and then you're going to put your eyebrows like this, I guess, to test it out first. I like my eyebrow shape to be curved because I just look extremely weird with straight eyebrows. I mean, I tried before and I just like look confused all the time. And so I tried that out, it did not work. So I like something that is curved like this, as you can see. And whenever you want to take it out, you just pop it like this. Okay.
In order to place the template on my face, I have to loop through those 2 holes on the side using the strings that they're giving me. And then I'm going to skewer it on my face.
And then I'm going to make sure that is perfect. No. It does not line up with my eyebrows. What the heck? I have to give this product a credit is that it's very convenient in shading in the places, but it's just not everybody have the same eyebrow shapes and not everybody like this shape of eyebrows. Do you understand? Some people like to have a higher arch, some people like to have like a U shape of eyebrows. That's not my style, but I have seen. So it's just different, you know, people, what they desire, and also their face structures. So it make a difference on their face expressions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shade it in. Whew, this is gonna be a disaster. Okay, so focus. Okay.
I'm using Anastasia Pomade. This is a medium brow to shade in my eyebrows.
Oh, it's not that big. It's pretty thin, you guys. It's pretty thin. Okay. So what I usually do is that I shape my end first and then gradually work toward the top. And then this spot, I don't have hair, so as you can see that this spot is really light. So I'm gonna go back to the color and then target that spot.
Now I'm going to switch to the other end, which is the spooler, and brush the hair through.
You seriously? Oh my god. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna keep going. Keep going, keep going. So I shaped out already, as you can see. And then I'm going to shade in starting at the end of my eyebrows and then gradually work. I'm gonna work my way toward the top. I have to admit that it's very fast. It's so easy. but I'm actually drawing on my skin, not on my eyebrows hair. Man, when I bought this, I was like, oh, this is going to be solutions for my weakness, and it's going to be so easy, and I don't have to take so much time to get a perfect eyebrows, you know, getting those eyebrows on fleek. But I'm regretting my choice. Oh my god. I'm really trying my best, you guys. I'm not over kidding you. But it's just really hard because you don't even draw on your hair. You're over here drawing on your skin. That's just extremely ridiculous. One side does not fit all. Okay, let me just take it out. Oh my gosh. How did they give them a 4.7 star? What the heck? How come they have a 1,658 people commented like 5 stars? 4.7 stars out of 5 stars. That is extremely weird. And my eyebrows look like this. And I'm pretty good at drawing my eyebrows, but how come it look like this? Oh, girl, no. Okay, I'm just going to clean it up. I'm going to try it again, and I'm gonna give it my, I'm telling you, I give it my all. Okay, let's try it again. I mean, I don't have the perfect eyebrow shape for this, because the weird thing is that some spot of my eyebrows have hair, some spot don't. So I have to really fake it, you know? And then the weird thing is that this side have more hair than this side, and this side shift up higher than this side. I'm telling you, my eyebrow is just crazy. So that's why I'm pretty good at drawing my eyebrows, because it's a lot of struggles. You know, the first time it's just a feel, okay? It's just a feel. Sometimes you just have to try more than one time to see if the products really work or not. Okay, so I think that is good enough. And I have tried this for the second time. So I think it's much better, because earlier I was moving too much. I have noticed that whenever you do it, you cannot move your eyebrows or shift it too much, because it's going to be out of line. But I think this is like as much the best I could do. And then I'm gonna take it off. It look like this. So do I like this products or not? Absolutely not. This is like the worst products that I have tried here. I mean, I don't even get it why they almost have 5 stars. It's like more than 1,000 people rated. I'm so confused. I mean, the logic is there. It's a great idea, but just it's not perfect to where you can actually draw an amazing eyebrows with this. And I'm probably going to do more of an Aliexpress products review. So if you like this content, make sure to give a comment below and let me know. Make sure to give this video a thumb up to motivate me to make more amazing content. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm gonna upload more video upcoming. I'm probably going to upload on Wednesday and Saturday, and then my new video that you're going to expect is going to be on Wednesday and Saturday at 9 a.m. and that's when I usually post my video. So I'm trying to be consistent and post it every week to make sure that you guys update and learn something that I learned along the way of beauty tips, what work, what don't, because I'm pretty sure that I try many things and it does not work. So that's a good thing for you guys to learn from my mistake. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.